Hey everyone, welcome back to our WordPress development course here on We Will Code. In today's lesson, we're going to be adding custom post types to our theme. This is an essential skill that will let you create specialized content beyond regular blog posts and pages. If we want to add like portfolios, testimonials, or events, this is how we do it. By the end of this video, we'll have a fully functional custom post type integrated into our My First Theme WordPress theme. Let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is tell WordPress about our new post type. We'll add this to our functions.php file. Let's open up functions.php. So let's go under our last My First Theme sidebar function and let's add the following code. So go ahead and save that. So this is going to create a portfolio post type in the admin menu. It's going to enable features like titles, content editor, featured images, and excerpts. It's going to add an archive page to list all portfolio items. So now that we have our portfolio post type, we need a way to display it. We'll create a new template file. Let's call it single-portfolio.php. Now let's add this code here. Now let's go ahead and save this. So single-portfolio.php is going to allow us to display individual portfolio items. It's going to pull in the title and content dynamically. To be able to list all portfolio items, we need an archive page. Let's create a new file in our theme folder, archive-portfolio.php. And let's add this code. And save. And again, this file is going to allow us to list all portfolio items. It's also going to use the excerpt for a preview of each project. So now let's test this in the WordPress dashboard. Go to dashboard. Now we do see portfolio. In portfolio, we can go ahead and add new post. Let's just add a test post here. We can add that as the excerpt. And we can go ahead and publish this. And we should be able to follow this link to see this live. So this error can happen possibly because of our permalinks. Just might need to flush those out one time. Let's go to our dashboard, settings, permalinks, and let's just click save changes. No changes are needed. Let's go back to our portfolio and try one more time. See if that fixed it. View, and we do see our social media project. The reason we had that error is because WordPress caches its URL structures, and when we add a new custom post type like portfolio, WordPress doesn't automatically recognize its URL until you manually refresh the permalink settings. So everything in our code is working correctly. We should be able to also see all archived portfolio posts by going to portfolio. Let's check that out. And we do see our project listed here. We could even add one more just to test. Add it to the excerpt. Publish. Let's check it out. Works individually. And if we go to portfolio, we should be able to see both posts now there. And we do see both showing up. So the three things we did in this video was in functions.php, we added our custom post type registration. We created single-portfolio.php to display individual portfolio items, and we created archive-portfolio.php to display all portfolio items. This lesson setting the stage for custom fields and advanced layouts, which we'll be covering in the next tutorials. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on your bell notifications to be updated with new videos. I'll see you in the next one.